Hey there fellow drivers, welcome back to my channel where I explore everything automotive related. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 most useful car accessories in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior with a lot of mileage on your clock or just starting your journey behind the wheel, these accessories are sure to enhance your driving experience and keep you prepared for whatever the road throws your way. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more automotive videos such as this. So let's buckle up and get started. Kicking off our list is the wireless phone charger. With the rise of electric vehicles and smart technology, having a wireless charging pad in your car is a game changer. No more fumbling with cords while driving, just place your phone on the charger and keep your devices juiced up throughout the journey. Plus, it's a great way to prevent your phone from dying in the middle of your epic car karaoke sessions. Picture this, you're belting out your favorite tunes, hitting those high notes like a pro, and suddenly your phone battery hits rock bottom. Talk about a buzzkill. But with a wireless charger, you can keep the music pumping and your phone charged, ensuring your car karaoke sessions never miss a beat. Next up, we have the dash cam. This little gadget provides a peace of mind by recording your drive, capturing important moments, and even serving as evidence in case of any accidents or disputes on the road. With advanced features like loop recording and built-in GPS, it's like having your own personal reality show, starring you and your trusty car. And hey, you never know what unexpected moments you might capture on camera. Good luck to insurance on this one. Plus, with built-in GPS tracking, you can relive your epic road trips and pinpoint all these hidden gems you've discovered on the way. Who needs a travel journal when you have a dashcam documenting every twist and turn of your journey? Keeping your car clean is easier than ever with a portable car vacuum cleaner. From crumbs to pet hair, this handy accessory ensures your ride stays fresh and tidy, making these long road trips way more enjoyable. Just remember not to vacuum up any loose change. Let's be honest, we've all been guilty of using our car as a makeshift dining room at one point or another. But with a car vacuum cleaner on hand, you can say goodbye to those pesky crumbs and mystery stains, turning your car into a spotless oasis on wheels. It's like having a mini cleaning crew at your disposal, ready to tackle any messes coming your way. So now go ahead, indulge on those on-the-go snacks. Your car vacuum cleaner has got your back. Now speaking of having your back, say goodbye to blind spots with this easy-to-install blind spot mirrors. They provide a wider field of view, increasing safety and reducing the chances of accidents when changing lanes or maneuvering through traffic. With these mirrors, you will have eyes on the back of your head, figuratively speaking, of course. No more nervously glancing over your shoulder, hoping you don't miss a car lurking in your blind spot. These mirrors give you a peace of mind, allowing you to navigate the busy streets and highways with confidence. Now let's move on to the cars that lack Bluetooth. So this next accessory is one that's always asked for. What is it, you might think? Turn your old car stereo into a wireless powerhouse by simply plugging in this device. Stream music, take hands-free calls, and even charge your devices, all without upgrading your car's audio system. It's like giving your car a high-tech makeover without breaking the bank. Plus, with the ability to stream your favorite podcasts and playlists directly from your phone, every drive becomes a jam session. Just be prepared for some questionable dance moves and impromptu sing-alongs. The Bluetooth transmitter has a way of bringing out your inner rock star. So now we can all agree, safety always comes first, which is why an emergency escape tool is a must-have. With features like a seatbelt cutter and a window breaker, the emergency escape tool can be a lifesaver in critical conditions. And hey, you never know when you might have to make a dramatic exit from your car, just like in the movies. Whether you're facing a waterlogged road or an unexpected collision, having an emergency escape tool can be a lifesaver within reach, can mean the difference between a close call and a catastrophe. So buckle up and stay safe. And remember to keep your emergency escape tool handy. You never know when you might need it. Keeping an eye on your tire pressure is essential for optimal performance and safety. Having a tire pressure monitoring system alerts you of any fluctuations in tire pressure, helping you avoid blowouts and improving fuel efficiency. Because let's face it, no one wants to deal with a flat tire on the side of the road.
Gonna see it in Sport Plus.
Leave it, leave it. What are you doing? Nice car, what do you do for a living?
I curb rims.
With a tire pressure monitoring system in your car, you can rest easy knowing all of your tires are in good shape. So say goodbye to unexpected pit stops and hello to smoother rides. Imagine being in a rush for $1 million deal meeting. Once you get in your car, it just won't turn on. So don't let a dead battery ruin your day. A portable jump starter is a lifesaver in emergencies, allowing you to jump start your car without needing another vehicle nearby. It's like having your own personal superhero, but instead of a cape, it comes with jumper cables. Whether you accidentally left your lights on overnight or your battery decided to call it quits mid-road trip, a portable jump starter is your ticket to getting back on the road in no time. Compact, reliable, and easy to use for any driver that values a peace of mind. So go ahead, explore the open road with confidence. Your portable jump starter has your back. Organization in your car sometimes might be a headache, but you can stop worrying about that with a car seat organizer. From snacks to gadgets, keep everything within reach and declutter your car for a more comfortable ride. Because let's be honest, nobody likes digging through a random pile of stuff just to find their favorite snack, unless it's a treasure hunt and the prize is a bag of chips. With a car seat organizer, you can say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. Keep your work essentials neatly towed away, whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a cross-country adventure. From water bottles to notebooks, sunglasses to hand sanitizer, everything has its place in your car seat organizer. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Your organized car is ready to roll. Beat the heat with a car sunshade. Protect your interior from harmful UV rays and keep your car cool, even on the hottest days. It's like giving your car its own little umbrella, minus the fruity cocktails and sandy beach. Whether you're parked at the office or running errands around town, a car sunshade is your secret weapon against these deadly temperatures to stop you from melting. Say goodbye to scorching seats and blistering steering wheels thanks to your trusty sunshade. Thanks to your trusty sunshade, you can enjoy a cooler, more comfortable ride everywhere you go. Never worry about flat tires again with a portable tire inflator. Compact and easy to use, it's a convenient solution for topping up your tires on the go. Because let's face it, no one wants to be stranded on the road with a flat tire. With a tire inflator in your trunk, you can tackle low tire pressure like a pro. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, simply plug it into your car's power outlet, attach it into your tire valve, and let the inflator work its magic. In minutes, you'll be back on the road with confidence. Compact, reliable, and incredibly convenient, a portable tire inflator is a must-have for every driver. So pack your bags, buckle up, and hit the road. Your trusty tire inflator is ready for action. Now, whether you're using GPS or streaming music, this next accessory keeps your hands free and your eyes on the road. Plus, it's a great way to prevent your phone from taking a joyride across your dashboard during sharp turns. With a car smartphone mount, you can stay connected without compromising safety. Simply attach your phone to the mount, adjust the angle for optimal visibility, and hit the road with confidence. Plus, with easy installation and universal compatibility, a car smartphone mount is a versatile accessory that's perfect for drivers of all ages. So say goodbye to distracted driving and hello to hands-free convenience. Your car smartphone mount has got you covered. In today's connected world, staying charged is crucial. A USB charger ensures all your devices stay powered up, no matter how long the journey. Because let's be real, no one wants to be stuck in traffic with a dead phone, unless you enjoy having deep conversations with your car's navigation system. With a USB car charger in your vehicle, you can keep your devices charged and ready for action. Whether you're on a road trip or just running errands around town, simply plug it into your car's power outlet, connect your devices, and enjoy unlimited power on the go. From smartphones to tablets, cameras to portable speakers, a USB charger is the ultimate accessory for modern drivers. Remember when we spoke about organization? This next mod can maximize your trunk space with a collapsible trunk organizer. Perfect for groceries, sports gear, or road trip essentials. It keeps everything neatly organized and prevents items from rolling around. Because let's face it, no one wants to play a game of Tetris with their luggage every time they go on a road trip. With a collapsible trunk organizer, you can say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. Keep your groceries from sliding around, your sports gear from getting tangled, and your road trip essentials within easy reach. Plus, with its collapsible design, it's easy to store when it's not in use, making it a versatile accessory for drivers of all lifestyles. Now, last but not least, we have the portable air purifier. Keep the air in your car fresh and clean with this compact device, which removes dust, pollen, and odors, ensuring a healthier driving environment for you and your passengers. Because let's be honest, nobody wants their car to smell like a gym locker, unless you're trying to motivate yourself to hit the gym after a long drive. With a portable air purifier in your car, you can breathe easy knowing that you're driving in a clean, healthy environment. Whether you suffer from allergies or just want to eliminate unwanted odors, a portable air purifier is a perfect solution. Simply plug it into your car's power outlet, turn it on, and enjoy fresh, clean air wherever you go. Compact, quiet, and incredibly effective, a portable air purifier is a must-have accessory for any driver. So roll down these windows, take a deep breath, and hit the road. Your lungs will thank you. In conclusion, these top 15 car accessories for 2024 are more than just gadgets. They're game changers that enhance safety, convenience, and comfort on the road. From wireless phone chargers to emergency escape tools, each accessory plays a vital role in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting out, investing in these accessories can make a world of difference in your daily commute or epic road trips. So why settle for a basic ride when you can transform your car into a high-tech, organized, and comfortable oasis? Remember to choose accessories that suit your needs and driving habits. And don't forget to prioritize safety above all else. With the right combination of accessories, you'll be ready to tackle any adventure that comes your way, whether it's a cross-country road trip or just a quick run to the grocery store. So go ahead, deck out your ride with these must-have accessories and get ready to enjoy the journey like never before. Happy motoring, and may the road ahead be filled with smooth rides, memorable moments, and endless adventures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to my channel for more automotive related content. As always, drive safe and embrace the journey. Until next time, happy motoring.